When your installation reaches the ridge, allow the panels to extend over. Use a 1x2 to ensure alignment. Snap a chalk line down the center of the ridge. Remove the excess panel material. Repeat the process on the opposing side. Then screw down the flap. Snap another chalk line down the center of the ridge. Attach 1x2 strips of wood on both sides of the line. Cut a small relief strip on the edge of the first hip and ridge piece to use as a screw point. Also attach at the end. Lock the second ridge piece into the first and screw it down. Trim the last piece to lock securely into the locking clip and valley channel. Screw down. After installation is complete, be sure to clean all debris off the roof.